boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la.
Hey, it's Alyssa from Romewise, your go-to guide to Rome. It is Christmas in the Eternal City, and despite everything, the city is lit up and beautiful and festive for the holidays. In this last video of 2020, what a year, I thought I would bring some good cheer by sharing with you some of the beautiful lights and decorations around the city at Christmas time.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la.
I want to start this video by saying thank you. Thank you for following me, for continuing to watch my videos, subscribe to my YouTube, and follow me on the website and on other social media platforms. I'm very grateful to live in Rome during this crazy year. I'm grateful for all of you for following me. I think we can all agree 2020 has been a very difficult year. Those of us who work in travel, like yours truly, we've definitely been hit pretty hard by this pandemic. But I've been using the time to update a lot of old content, bring you lots of original, unique content, and I've got lots more in the works for 2021, so please continue following me. I've also spent time bringing you lots of new products. The 2021 Romewise calendar is out, lots of new ebooks and other merchandise. There will be a New Year's sale, but I also want to let you know that if you watch the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can win some of the items in my shop.
Falls outside, you can hold me tight. When it's cold through the night, we'll stay warm inside. We'll feel the fire burning, baby, spin that record one more time.
Okay, as promised, here is how you can win some of the items from the Romewise shop. The first 3 people to comment on my first video of 2021 will win the item of their choice from my shop. This could be the 2021 calendar, an ebook of your choice, a face mask, an iPhone case, you name it, it's yours.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video with Rome lit up for the holidays, the last video of 2020. What can I say? I think you understand me when I say it's been a pretty difficult year, but I'm grateful to have spent it in Rome. I'm grateful to all of you for continuing to follow me. I look forward to bringing you lots of new content from this beautiful city in 2021. I look forward to seeing you here in 2021. Stay healthy, stay safe, have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and see you next year, guys.